My partner and I were looking at the sports industry overall, and we saw it was growing faster than the overall economy, at a much greater clip actually. And we thought, if I'm not an owner, if I'm not a player, if I'm not a league, how do I participate in the growth of these leagues? And so we decided to see if there was a way to create a product that would map and mimic the overall growth of the sports leagues. And so we decided to create the Pro Sports Sponsor Index, which tracks the official partners of the core 4 US sports leagues, so baseball, football, hockey, and basketball. The holdings of the index that we created, the Pro Sports Sponsors Index, there are holdings from your traditional, what you might associate with sports like Budweiser or Pepsi, who you're going to see all over the Super Bowl, to Marriott, which is the official hotel of the NFL, to SAP, which is an official technology partner, and Amazon, which is the official web service provider. So it's a really gamut from consumer discretionary and consumer staples to technology, financial companies, but they're all big name brands that you know. And so it really goes along the theme of invest in what you know. And so you see these brands every time you're watching sports, which over half the US watches sports on a regular basis and is really loyal to the brands and the sports they love. And so through that association and through the partnerships that they create with the leagues and the activations they do, we've found that these companies tend to grow revenues slightly faster and potentially become more profitable than their competitors. We are definitely targeting sports fans, what we like to call avid sports fans that spend on season tickets, spend on jerseys, log into team websites, but we're also targeting a rational investor that wants to invest in a product they understand, they know. They're all big name brands. If they've got enough money to partner with these leagues, they've got typically enough free cash flow to make it a nice investment in their overall core position in their portfolio. Or if they want to look at the economy through a sports-specific lens and understand that sports leagues are growing and they're growing much faster than the overall economy.